Hello everyone. Welcome to my new HTML tutorial. Today I will show you how to create ordered HTML list using OL and LI elements. You can check my last video about unordered list. Use the OL tag together with the LI tag to create ordered lists. I will create example for the same list as in the last video. I will create tutorials list with numbers. Follow me. Open and close OL tag. Now open LI tag and close LI tag. Inside LI element, I will place first element of the list. So I will write HTML tutorial. Next element of list will be SQL Server tutorial. Third element, CSS tutorial. Okay, let's see what we got. We created ordered list in HTML. In front of each element of the list, we have a number. We can change number tag to, for example, Roman numbers. Let's change this list. In open OL tag, I will add type equals quotation marks and I will write letter I. Okay, let's see what we got. We have a Roman numbers in front of each list element. Also, we can change staring number. We will use start attribute and insert some number which we want to numbering start. I will write 10. Let's see now. Our list numbers start from 10. And that's it. You now know how to create ordered lists in HTML. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.